2016 really was our first opening of the garden, and it was really well attended. So in those 9 years, it's sort of really progressed. We've been part of Growing Western Bartonshire, which was a great support. Bellsmire Community Gardens have been amazing mentors and sharing and helping us build the area. So yeah, time has flown. Well, we're expanding now. We've now got a giant polytunnel that you can see from the canal, so we're kind of on the map now, which is amazing because you can't miss us if you're walking along the canal. We're in a fantastic spot, really. It's a great area. It's a dead end, and then we've got fields behind us. So we've got fresh air, peace and quiet, and bird song at night as well. It's all around. So for wildlife and stuff, foxes, deer, everything's all around here. So it's a great space to be, great for your mental health, which is great for me because I need as much good stuff around me as possible. So it's been great for that. So yes, it was just not even woodland, it's shrubbery. Link Housing had put in some native-friendly trees, which have been great because we've benefited from them as well, like the blackthorn, elder rose, which turned out to be a fantastic berry-producing tree. We've made jam with that. It's been richly well landscaped, so we wanted to keep it that way. That was the whole reason we started a community garden as well. I only really did it for selfish reasons, to look out your window and see something nice rather than rubbish or, you know, overgrown stuff. We can do that easily as a group. So we're growing as much as people want to see. So we'll put out a wee note saying, could you let us know what you would like to be eating throughout the year? So really basic things, potatoes especially, swede, all the brassicas, cabbage, cauliflower, leeks, many veg, and now with the giant polytunnel, we've sort of gone into like aubergines and sort of made the season last a lot longer with that so we can grow more. And we're always open to anybody suggesting something different to try. Definitely try it out. We've tried a few things out that didn't work, but we're learning all the time, which is a great situation to be in. And if you're into gardening at all, you are learning, you'll learn forever. You'll never know everything about it, which is quite exciting. We were given a giant table by one of the neighbours, so people round about donate a lot. A lot of things that people throw out we can use really well here. So we've got a giant 8-seat, well at least 8 people can sit round that table that came from somebody's kitchen. Lorraine's kitchen, and also Green Space have been great donating stuff. Well, the official time is 1 to 3 on a Wednesday. If people could come in here and tickle the tomato plants and water them, that would be such a bonus. Pop in, get your watering can and just water away in there. You would be really welcome at the garden, because simple things like that are what I would recommend for people to put one wee potato in the soil and to see what you get from that is really rewarding. Come along and join in, or just meeting up, chatting. People usually get busy doing that as well, which is nice.